afternoon. If you're fed up with winter, you're not alone. But spring is finally at our doorstep. You may have noticed the decorations all over the school and the celebrations last week, all in the name of the Cherry Blossom Festival. Fox Media's Alice has been following the fun.
I'm here at ISL's very own Cherry Blossom Festival, where the Japanese community welcomes the new season with the blooming of pink and white blossoms. All week, students have been engaging in lots of different Japanese celebrations, including performances, decoration making, wearing beautiful traditional clothing, and trying new delicious food. Now I'm joined by Ms. Tamako, who's going to tell us a little bit more about what this all means. Okay, so Ms., what does the Cherry Blossom Festival mean to the Japanese community?
Cherry blossom season is in Japan is the end of the year, and also it means beginning of the year. And at the same time, because the life of the flower is so short, we feel it like the life is also short. Everything which is beautiful lasts only short period of time. So we have to enjoy the most the time at the most.
So cherry blossom welcomes spring, specifically when the trees blossom. Sadly, the gorgeous flowers don't last more than 2 weeks, which means we've got to enjoy them while they last, which is a beautiful message within itself. Alice, Fox Media.
So it's Sayonara or Goodbye to Winter. Next, the spring concert, the big event in the school calendar, was a huge success. The amazing performances drew in a huge audience, and our reporter Vuk was there on the night.
Well, I'm here as ISL musicians gear up for an unforgettable evening as they showcase their talents. You're in for a treat, as we'll hear a variety of instruments, from piano to guitar to maybe even a triangle. Who knows? We may even have a Taylor Swift of the future. Here we go.
I said, do we feel the love?
At ISL, students learn to appreciate music, compose, and sing throughout the year. Then they are given the opportunity to perform at events like this one. There's about 100 people in the audience from the ISL community, and the show is going down a treat.
It's really sweet to see all of you performing and all the great things you guys can do. You're very versatile.
What was your favorite performance today?
I don't have one because they're all just perfectly amazing.
I enjoyed Henry's and Li Zhang's. One was on the drums and one was on the violin.
I thought the saxophone was really cool. I thought the combination with the piano was cool, and the music they'd chosen was great to listen to.
They're doing a really great job, so well done to everyone. It's amazing.
Well, we've all had an amazing time. I say it's the best concert yet. Not that I'm biased or anything.
Uncovering the endless possibilities of glass art, Grade 8 participated in the stained glass workshop this week. Check out their work. And Grade 5 have been busy too. Their exhibition was on display yesterday, featuring a range of themes from pollution today to LGBT rights. Breaking news just in from Mr. Parker. Easter break has been canceled due to a lack of studying and commitment from the students. April Fools, we won't see you until the 17th of April. We also say goodbye to grade 12 as they go on study leave for term 3. Wishing everyone a lovely break.